Extreme aircraft of another class can't deliver weapons or fly supersonic, but their tiny camera lenses can create as much havoc as the largest bomb blast. In the not-so-distant past, a single foot soldier had severely limited line-of-sight capabilities when scouting enemy positions. But with the help of a new class of extreme aircraft, one infantryman can have an eye in the sky that could help him take down a well-entrenched foe. Say cheese for the Batcam. It's a battery-powered micro-air vehicle, or MAV, with built-in video cameras that offer a bird's-eye view of anything within a range of 9 miles. Its carbon fiber body is extremely lightweight, and it can be assembled and launched in seconds. The Batcam weighs in at a minuscule 0.8 of a pound. Its wingspan is 20 inches, and max airspeed is approximately 51 miles per hour. A rugged notebook computer sends commands to the MAV and displays real-time video. The operator flies the drone remotely or commands it to fly autonomously to pre-programmed coordinates.
It's a saying in the military, if you can't see it, you can't control it. And military operations is about controlling areas for the most effective type of results.
Rapid advances in miniaturization have enabled designers to produce an advanced generation of drones, as extreme as they are tiny.
One of the primary challenges was to be able to find cameras that were small enough to be placed on the vehicle. So they had to be very small, plus they had to be very light. Our vehicles weigh on the order of grams, not in terms of pounds.
One military contractor, Applied Research Associates, evolved the Batcam concept into an even more extreme micro-aircraft.
We call this the Nighthawk. This aircraft is an improvement from our other aircraft. It has longer flight duration capability. It has an improved GPS. The update rate is higher, more sensitive.
Along with improved range and higher resolution video cameras, the Nighthawk has a built-in thermal camera. The imager can detect heat signatures from personnel or vehicle engines. But the camera's added weight demands a super light airframe.
The structural shell of the Nighthawk is made from carbon fiber epoxy. The fuselage, for instance, is made from a single piece, which makes it very rigid and durable. We have a tail that is assembled on the aircraft, and it has built-in hinges for the control surfaces. And really the enabling technology is the wing. The wing is also carbon fiber. It has ripstop nylon to enable it to be very flexible so it can roll up and store.
In ongoing military operations, U.S. forces are deploying a swarm of extreme lightweight aircraft, like the Wasp, used by the Air Force, the Cyberbug, preferred by the U.S. Navy, and the Raven, an all-around performer deployed by the U.S. Army and the Marines. Scientists at the Air Force Research Lab at Eglin Air Force Base in Florida are birdwatching for new inspiration.
We call this biomimetic or bio-inspired systems. And one can look at an eagle, one can look at a conventional bird, one can look at a bat.
At Oxford University in the UK, researchers mounted video cameras onto birds of prey in order to study their complex wing motions in flight. One prototype built by University of Arizona researchers takes the flapping wing concept into the nanosphere. The ornithopter weighs a paltry 1/3 of an ounce. It has a 5-inch wingspan and mylar membrane wings, and a maximum flight time of 3 minutes. Scientists hope one day to deploy bird-like MAVs in urban areas with gusty, unpredictable wind patterns. But why flap when you can blast off? Though it looks like an Imperial probe droid from Star Wars, this MAV by the Honeywell Corporation is a true hover and stare drone. With a maximum altitude of 10,500 feet, it uses a fan propulsion system to hover and record more stable images than a fixed-wing MAV. Its only limitation? With a 2.2-pound fuel supply, range is restricted to about 6 miles. A company called Light Machines is refining its vision of an urban reconnaissance MAV. It uses counter-rotating blades to hover, and it's aptly called Voyeur.
This animation shows that the Voyeur system can fly forward of the other troops, provide the reconnaissance in an urban environment in order that they can detect potential threats and potential targets and relay that information back to the convoy before it enters the city.
For soldiers in the field, this new army of micro-air vehicles is a quick way to gain the upper hand in a fight. But one day these drones could become even more lethal.
Potentially in the future, we can even use it as a system to attack targets.